Hey, got something here. Just gonna do a quickie video. See if we can get into this. Seems to be working. Gotta get through this tape. Yeah, okay. Let's see here. Shoot. There we go. This works a little better. The Best Tech Fairchild. Hey, hey! I got my little helper here. I have to make this quick. Let's see. What do we got? What? Alright. Let's see. Oops. That's a whole Microtech. And we have the Fairchild. Somebody wanted to see the Fairchild compared to this one. Been wanting to check this out for a while. These are cool looking. You got the Stitch with our aluminum handles. Let's give it a first flick. Oh yeah. Let's do that again. Gotta give it a little wrist with these kind of locks. Yeah, that is cool. That is a sweet blade. Yeah, buddy, I'll make it quick. My assistant is getting a little impatient. Might have poop in his diaper. We'll find out in a minute. Yeah, somebody wanted to see the Fairchild compared to the Stitch. Not in the garage, so the setup's a little different right here, but yeah. There they are. Quite a bit shorter than the Fairchild. These are really cool. Handle's a little. Handles are similar. I feel like I got a better grip on the Stitch. Yeah, that blade's awesome looking. I'll do one of these flips. I like these Ram-Loks. Like how the buttons are. You can actually just use your thumb. You don't have to grab both sides to actuate it. Just one finger. Oop. Closed. Yeah, this is about the Stitch here. Close look at that. Cool back spacer. I like the big full back spacers. And let's see. I'll wrap this up here. I'm gonna compare it to the Pair 3. PM2. Well, it's a little bit bigger than both of those. Closer in size to the PM2. My center is not very good today. What else we got? We got the MSI. MSI is a little bit longer, bless you. That was cute. Yeah. There we go. The Stitch. Probably do another video on this sooner or later. Check it out some more. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Alright. Yeah. What do you think of that? Alright. Well, I'm going to go take care of my little buddy over there. There's the stitch. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.